Are you ready to unlock the full potential of your CAC card? In today's tutorial, we are diving into how to set up a CAC card reader in just a few simple steps. Whether you're accessing secure sites or authenticating your identity, this guide will have you up and running in no time. First things first, head over to the App Store on your iOS or iPad OS device. Search for Smart Card Utility and tap Get to download it. Once it's installed, open the app to kick off the setup process. Next, ensure that your Bluetooth is turned on. No need to fiddle with settings. Stay within the Smart Card Utility app. Insert your CSC card into the reader and make sure it's securely in place. Tap the connection icon at the top of the screen. Your reader will appear as TCSR serial number. You can find this serial number on the back of your reader. Select it to connect. For the first time users, you will need to pair your mobile reader with your device. A prompt will appear asking for a PIN. This can be found on back of your reader. Enter the PIN and select pair. After this initial setup, you won't need to do it again. Now let's get those certificates in place. It's recommended to insert only the 9A authentication certificate for accessing websites. Tap next to Insert Certificate and select 9A from the list. Confirm any prompts that appear. With everything set up, open Safari and navigate to any site requiring CSC authentication. The reader will automatically connect via Bluetooth when needed. And there you have it. You have successfully set up your CSC card reader. This quick process allows you secure access to essential services and information. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Happy reading!